Okay, let's discuss some of the important idioms as we studied earlier. These are very common idioms. So what means, should we go with idioms?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Yes. By hook and crook. This is an idiom.
Okay.
By hook and, or you can say by hook or by hook or crook. It means when we are going to do something or when we are talking about someone that he is a very clever or cunning man. Hook and crook मतलब जैसे what I just give you an example, then you will be able to understand. Suppose we say he is a very cunning man. He can get your work done by the minister by hook or crook. Did you get? हाँ, yes, by hook or crook. मतलब पैसे देके कैसे भी, by any means, by fair means, by unfair means, but he'll get it done. So you can say, you can write here an example. An example is here in that book. Yeah, he is determined to get it by hook or usually actually some negativity is there, but they are using it like he is determined to get it, means to get something good. But usually by hook and crook means by legal or illegal method. Okay. Take him to task or take someone to task. Take him to task, take her to task, take someone to task. It means to scold someone. डांटना जिसको बोलते हैं. So here an example. Leave it. I'll take another example. I took him to the task. I took him to the task to be punctual in duties. So I took him to the task to be punctual. To be punctual in duties. Like this. Is it interesting or not?
Yes, yes.
When I say I have it on my fingers and it means I have it on my fingers and it means I have good knowledge about it or I know it thoroughly. You are talking about that project? I can do it on my fingers and or I have it on my fingers and I have this project on my fingers ends. Okay. Okay. Through thick and thin. Thick. These are actually very common idioms. Through thick and thin means support someone in any condition, in his bad time, in his good time, like this. Getting my point? Like I stood by him. I stood by him through thick and thin during his study or whatever, like this, during his study or during his stay here in my city or whatever. मतलब मैं उसके साथ रहा, कैसा भी समय रहा हो, अच्छा बुरा whatever. I stood by him through thick and thin during his study here in my city or whatever, like this. So I have something on my fingers and it means I know it thoroughly. And take him to task means scolding someone for doing something. Who can croak by fair or unfair means thick and thin. So these are very common, and if you use them, it will be easy for you to remember. That I have already told you. Yes. Burns hole. Burns hole. It is very common when we say like this, money burns hole in a pocket It means when you have some money in your pocket, it is being spent by you, by any means. कहते हैं कि पैसा होता है ना तो वो अपना रास्ता ढूंढ लेता है खर्च होने के लिए. मीन्स मनी बर्न्स होल इन योर पॉकेट. अगर पैसा है तो वो चला जाएगा. अगर आपकी पॉकेट में, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट इफ इट इज इन बैंक, I am talking about if it is in your pocket, it will burn hole in your pocket. रुकिएगा नहीं. आप सोचोगे यार पैसे पड़े हैं, let's do this, let's buy this, let's spend this for this, like this. Money burns hole in a pocket. It's a very common idiom. Okay? Feeling hot. Yes, because I set the temperature 28 because earlier I was feeling little cold, but now I am sweating again because it is raining, so it is suffocation. On speaking terms or on visiting terms, these are also very common. On speaking terms, on visiting terms.
Okay.
We are not on speaking terms with them. We are not on speaking terms with them. मतलब हमारी उनसे बोलचाल नहीं है. You understand the meaning?
Yes.
Sometimes कहते हैं यार we are not on speaking terms with them. You go and talk to them.
Yes.
मेरी उनसे बोलचाल नहीं है. Means I don't talk to them. और I am not on visiting terms with them. हमारा उनके यहाँ आना जाना नहीं है. Sometimes, usually the old people in our family they speak like that. In relation, भैया हम लोग नहीं जाते हैं वहां पे, हमारा आना जाना नहीं है. We are not on speaking terms. We are not on visiting terms. जैसे कभी we are talking about relation, marriage or something, they speak. We are not on speaking terms with them. You just go and talk to themselves. So it is very common in families. Square. Square. Sorry. Square. Square now. Suppose I say we are square now. मैं बताता हूँ. I just tell you. Square. Suppose we are in business dealing. This is related about money or business dealing. Suppose we are in business dealing and I have purchased something from you and now I have to pay the cost of that material, and when we finalize it, okay, this is the amount, I have to give it to you, so please have it. So okay, now we are square. It means neither do I have to give you anything nor you have to give me anything.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
मतलब बराबर है, अब ना आपको मुझे कुछ देना है ना मुझे आपको कुछ देना है.
Okay.
We are square now. And if you get time, just please watch a movie, Shakuntala Devi.
Already I saw.
You have watched it?
Yeah. I think 1 week back or 2 weeks back.
Yesterday I watched it
Oh.
on Prime Video and I really liked it very much
Yeah.
because it was the lady from Bangalore
Yeah.
and she was a mathematician. Really, it was very nice movie. I liked it. Vidya Balan.
Yeah.
Huh? So you understand Hindi properly in Hindi movies?
But not like village language, but I mean
Normal Hindi.
yes. I mean if they talk like I mean you know right in Telugu or some Sanskrit also like some deep Hindi I cannot, but normal Hindi okay.
Yesterday I was free, so I was looking for and I got that. Then I started watching it and I liked it. Okay. Square. There are a lot of, but I am just giving you, the common.
Sure.
Like suppose it is also very common. We say in high spirit. In high spirit. It means in high spirit means we are in high spirit today, means very joyful, very much happy. So you can use it like this: we are in high spirit today. Or you can say, yes, my family is in high spirit today because my daughter has got a job, like this. So we are in a high spirit. Spelling. We are in high spirit. Spelling is wrong, I think. Huh? I am confused. This is this. This is the correct spelling.
Okay.
High spirit. One more. This is also very common. Sometimes we say, suppose I say my joy knew no bounds when I came to know that he had won the match. This is little indirect speech also, and I have used that idiom, my joy knew no bounds. मतलब इन हिंदी भी से मेरी खुशी का ठिकाना नहीं रहा। कभी कभी हम बोलते मेरी खुशी का ठिकाना नहीं रहा। My joy knew no bounds when I came to know that he had won the match. Like this. Like you have used in high spirit and out of spirit, just opposite. Out of spirit means, why are you looking out of spirit today? Or sometimes we use it like long face. Like why have you got long face? मतलब आप समटाइम कहते हैं ना, अरे भाई चेहरा लटका के क्यों बैठे हो? In Hindi we speak, why have you got long face? What's wrong with you? क्या हो गया आपको? Out of spirit. You are looking out of spirit today. Oh, you are looking in high spirit today. What's the good news? Like this. Spread like wildfire. तो सिंपल वो जैसा है आग की तरह फैल जाना. That rumor spread like wildfire in the city. Get into hot water. Simple. Trouble. To be in trouble. When he argued with his boss, he got himself into hot water. He got himself into hot water. Hmm. Wash my hand of. Wash my hand of something means get rid of. Get rid of. Wash my hand off means something किसी से पीछा छुड़ाना. I want to wash my hands off this man or this situation. I want to wash my hands off this situation or off this man. I want to wash my hand off situation. It's hailing here. Hailing. It's not raining, it's hailing. वो गिरते ना, वो छोटे छोटे ओले गिरते, ओले.
Snowball.
Not snowfall. Snowfall is different.
Snowball.
Snowballs. Yes. Snowballs. ओले, ओले जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं, ओले गिरते हैं, हेल्स, हेलिंग. Snowballs or snowfall. But in North India there is no snowfall.
Yeah, even South India also. I mean, once in a while. I mean, years. Once in a year. When I was in India, I mean, hardly I saw like 2 or 3 times in my life. I mean, South India. तो ज़्यादा बारिश की टाइम में वो चिपका जैसा कुछ करके वो या फॉल. But recently I saw in paper in India somewhere snowfall was there.
In India?
Yeah, not recently, like months back or 1 year back.
No, snowfall you can see somewhere.
In Delhi, I mean to say.
Snowfall.
In Kashmir, snowfall was there. I mean,
Shimla.
Yeah. But I'm referring like Delhi.
In North India, South India, they are, hot places.
But, yeah.
We hardly have rain. So not to speak of snowballs. We even sometimes wait for the rain. Not to speak of snowballs. Okay. One more and then we'll discuss something.
Sure.
Very common. A wearer knows where the shoe pinches. a wearer knows where the shoe pinches. It means if you do something, you come across with the problems while doing. The people who do nothing, they don't have any problems. When you do something or you do a task, you definitely have problems also to complete this.
Yes.
So that's why it is a very common idiom, a wearer knows where the shoe pinches.
Okay.
Okay, so let's discuss something now. My towel. Just
Sure, sure.
in India, it is very common that when it rains, electricity is cut off.
Yes, yes, yes.
This is very common in India. So electricity is cut off, my AC is off, only inverter is working, so only fan is working, and I always have backup for my computer and all, so my class doesn't get disturbed.
So, do you use inverter for this computer?
Yes, because you know it is very important for me. Even sometimes I upload videos, I do lot of things, but we are in India, so we are not sure of the electricity, so we should have some backup. Otherwise, the effort I have put, that will go into vain immediately if I don't have any backup. So I don't want my...
How many hours does it give that inverter?
Pardon?
How many hours does it give the inverter?
Backup.
Yeah.
Actually, we have 2 inverters in my home. One is for me in that story. One is for my brother downstairs. So that is for me, and more importantly means I use it for my room, fan and light and my computer.
Okay.
So if I am taking my class or something, that no other light is on. So even continuously, I think it can give me 4 to 5 hours backup.
How much is the cost of that inverter?
Actually, the inverter itself is not very costly, around 3,000.
Okay.
But the battery is costly.
Okay.
Battery is around 10 to 12,000.
Okay.
So the life of the battery is, I think, maybe 3 or 4 years.
Okay.
After that, it doesn't give us the proper backup.
But you have to replace the battery, or do they rewinding the battery?
No, replace.
So completely you have to replace after 3-4 years.
Only battery, not inverter.
Yeah.
Inverter, the battery is attached with the inverter to, and it is with UPS also. So my inverter gives me the power like UPS also. So when light is disconnected, my computer doesn't go off
Got it.
because it is with UPS.
Understand.
Yeah. Otherwise, it may go off.
Yeah, I used to use like UPS when I was in India.
So these days people don't use UPS, they use UPS inverter.
That
So UPS inverter is a good thing. UPS can give you the backup for 10 minutes only. But an inverter can give you the backup for 4 hours or 5 hours.
got it.
So that is very important for me.
Here we don't use any inverter for any UPS or anything because we don't need it.
Yes, you don't need because you are living in a developed country.
I mean, it's not like that, but yes.
No, yes, of course it's a developed. I have to accept this and I accept this. No doubt they are very far away from us. Definitely, I am not joking or kidding. The fact, and if we have some facts, we have to accept this. And I have no shame to accept this. Why should we why should we have any kind of shame or problem if they are...
Again, towards the plus minuses are there, right? So, plus minuses are there, right? Some qualities are there, something.
You are right, I don't say that. Of course, they may be well means advanced in some of the things, and we may be plus in some other things. It's okay, but still these days, for the last 4 months, I'm telling you really, this is from my heart. I am really fed up of my country's ruling party. They have ruined the country, and still the people, the blind follower of Modi, they are still saying Modi, Modi, Modi. What is this nonsense? Miss, really, I am telling you, yesterday I was talking to my daughter, and she usually, watches Hollywood movies.
Okay.
On her laptop, and I was talking. I just asked her why she watches Hollywood movies always, and she replied. She told me that in these movies some theme is there, or some story, different kind of story is there, but in Indian movies only they are dancing. There is nothing means new. You know why? Then I asked her the reason. You know what she replied? She told me that is the difference of the thinking of the people here and there. The thinking of our people is different. They think that much, and their limit is this, like a frog in a well, and their thinking is very broad. Even a sweeper there, he is not educated much, but his thinking is very broad.
I understand what you're saying, yes.
So that was her reply. And that's why the filmmaker here in India, they make such kind of movie just to make people fool.
Yeah, I mean.
But there, they make movies like, Jurassic Park. You see that really they have used their brain to make such kind of movie. It is not very easy task. Means they work really very hard. Means they really, if you pay something or if you spend some money to watch these movies, their movie is worth it actually, Their efforts, their hard work actually, worth it.
yeah, I mean, as you said, like again, I mean, some of the movies in South India, they do, I mean, good movies.
South
I mean,
India is better. I have told you
yeah,
last time also. I also
yeah,
like South Indian movies because their story is really far better than Bollywood. Because I have seen lot of movies, dubbed movies from South, and I like their means story. I saw that there something that a hero was there. I didn't remember the movie. The hero was there, and he was means he means he doesn't like the things going on around him in the society, like the people, the street lights are on in the daytime also. So he goes to electricity department and asks them to switch all the lights off, and he starts quarreling with them and all. So means he wants to bring change to the society, and because of that something bad happens with him. So he just disguised him like uh, transgender. मीन्स वो हीजड़े लोग होते हैं ना, हीजड़े लोग, he disguised him like this. It was really very nice story, very nice movie, and the very first time I thought that really means they thought for a story, that how a new story is created, they know it very well.
yeah, I mean, yes,
And Hindi filmmakers, they take the story from South later and they make it in Hindi also.
right. So vice versa, but so even my daughter that she doesn't like Indian movies. I mean, most of the time she says like always it's not realistic, and in every movie four fightings and 4 or 5 songs and some tragedy scenes, and that's it. And no new. I mean, new thinking in developing the stories also.
Even my daughter, my niece, my nephew, they, whenever they are free, they always watch English movies. All the time they are watching. Means whenever they are free, they watch Hindi movies also, but rarely. I ask them
Understand?
which Hindi movie should I watch. I ask them. Then they suggest me, you watch this, you watch this. My daughter actually suggested me to watch Shakuntala Devi. Then I watched. So, and these days I think the Hindi movies, the filmmakers, they are making good movies these days. Like means there is no song, they are dancing unnecessarily in clubs, and that I don't like actually. Means some story must be there. Some story.
Yeah, I mean, in Hindi also there are good actors like they go by story, not like their fame. You know what I'm saying? Some heroes they look their fame, and they feel like, oh, if I do this movie, how do my fans feel, and they don't accept. It's not like that. Always they fans look for like new innovative things only, not like routine stories.
Yeah, these days.
I like Amir Khan movies, and most of the time Akshay Kumar movies,
Akshay Kumar is
because
really a good actor.
nowadays
Hmm.
he is acting like anything, like yeah, Mission Mangal, and some
Toilet,
like a
toilet.
toilet and
Hmm.
Rukum, and some one movie आया था वो टैक्स के बारे में कुछ आया था.
He makes actually, yeah, his movies are little better than other,
Yeah, at least he thinks like out of the box.
Yes,
Like,
yes,
not
yes.
not like okay.
In the same routine means he doesn't go in the same way.
Because
Yeah.
I never saw like any movie from Shah Rukh Khan like that. Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan.
I don't like.
But one way, like Amir Khan is good movie. He makes very good movies. Acts in good movies. Only these two guys. I mean, uh, Akshay Kumar and Amir Khan. Some point of time.
Yeah, 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 yeah. But in during that lockdown, actually, I started watching Irfan Khan's movies. Earlier, I knew about Irfan that he was an actor or like that, but I started watching his movies during that lockdown, and really, I found that he was really a great actor. You can say the real actor he was. His eyes actually, express everything. Such a nice actor actually, I have seen his yesterday, day before yesterday, or maybe 2 3 days back, I watched his movie Makbul. My friend is also there in that movie, Piyush Mishra. We used to play together in childhood.
Okay.
So I watched his movies actually.
Yeah, he is a very good actor. So yeah, I saw like that movie. I told you, right? Angrezi medium or Hindi medium?
Both.
Angrezi medium.
Two parts.
Two parts are there. One is.
I've seen.
Yeah, very good movie.
Acting, you see his acting actually. I
And
love
one
it.
movie I saw that, that was like a remake from South India movie. One movie name called Billu Barbar.
I haven't seen, but I know about that movie, Billu Barwar.
That is also, acting. Irfan Khan acting.
And I like Nawazuddin also.
Oh, okay.
So did you see that movie, Nawazuddin?
No, I started, but I did not complete it.
That Moti Choor Chakna Choor.
No, I did not see that.
Which movie? Oh, Raat Akeli hai.
Yeah, Ratak.
My City's shooting is there.
Yeah, I started half an hour, but I could not complete it.
Okay, you do it. It's nice. And do you watch Hindi TV serials like Krishna?
I used to watch dubbed ones like Mahabharat.
Krishna.
No, Mahabharat, I need to say.
Mahabharat, yes, it is a different program,
Yeah.
but Krishna is also old program.
It is like God's story or?
Lord Krishna, yes.
Oh, okay.
I like it very much, really. Because the life of Krishna teaches us a lot. And really, when I see Krishna every day, I've got a good playlist, the whole playlist of Krishna on YouTube. So I don't watch it on television, I watch it on my computer. Whenever I am free, I watch it. So each and every dialogue of Krishna actually teaches you a lot, that how you should survive in your life, how to face the problems in your life, how to deal with it. It's really very nice. It gives you teaching. And when you follow it, you are not afraid of anything. And you don't do anything bad. So your moral is very high. That's the thing.
Yeah, even I used to watch this Shani Dev करके एक serial आता था
Yes.
long back. I dubbed in Telugu also. I used to watch that, but not fully. I mean, some parts I watched.
Shani Dev. I am the devotee of Shani Dev.
Yeah, you told me. Yes. And I used to watch one serial called Balika Vadu or something.
Long before.
They dubbed in Telugu, that one also.
That was also good serial, I think.
Yeah, I mean,
But
it's different.
But it was very long.
Yeah.
10 years back it was, I think.
Yeah.
It was aired on television 10 years back.
Again, they see serials of it. So, I used to watch, I mean, but not fully sometimes.
Today I've got my new television. You'll be surprised to know that means I have no television in my room, in my bedroom, here. Means actually I don't like television at all.
Okay.
So whenever I like to watch movies, I watch my computer. It has got very good screen. So I have got very nice speaker also, THS certified. If you find it, THX certified speakers from Logitech.
Okay.
So they have very high quality sound and all. So I watch movies on that, but I thought an idea that why shouldn't we have
How many inches TV you watch?
that is 32 inches, not
Oh,
big. Because my room is not, my bedroom is not very, long or like this. So I just got 32. So the mechanic will come, I think, on 13th. That is Realme TV. Realme, company Realme.
How much is that cost?
Not much. That is 14,000. But it has got the Twitter, boofer, and stereo sound and all. Because I am a lover of music, sound, even my mobile and everything.
Yeah, मेरे घर में भी 3 TVs ऐसी पड़ी है. One is like a big one, 60 inches, I think, 60 plus. Two are there, like one is 32 inch and one is 39 or 40 inch.
Actually, these days it is very common. Actually, yeah.
Two IC पड़ी है. I'm not using those things yet. I think, yeah.
Okay.
I am big fan of like electronic items.
Fan of?
Electronic items. So I buy, I mean, lot. Yeah, it depends.
And yesterday, actually, it is my daughter's birthday today.
Oh.
So I got, fitness band for her from Amazon.
What is that?
Fitness band, like smartwatch.
Oh, okay.
I got that for her.
Fitbit, right?
Yeah, Fitbit. So, but actually, when I got it, I didn't like it. It was very poor quality. I didn't like it. Then I talked to them and they told me it was not returnable. But anyhow, I talked to them. I talked to their higher.
I bought it in Apple Store for my daughter, not recently, 1 year back or 2 years back, I think. Yeah, it was like $200 or $250 around that time. I mean, nowadays we are getting for less prices also.
Just 2,000 rupees, 3,000 like that.
Yeah,
But mine is little costlier. That is Amazfit GTS. So it is around 10,000, but it's good. So what happened? I didn't like. I talked to them. They told me that it was not returnable. But anyhow, I talked to their higher authorities and they refunded me the whole amount and asked me to keep the watch also.
Oh, okay.
but it is useless.
Why?
It is not counting the steps and all properly.
Oh, okay.
Not very good. Okay.
The Apple products are good.
Yes.
Apple products.
Apple are very costly here in India, because if I go for Apple Watch, it might be 50,000 in India.
Because I like very much the Apple products. I don't like other products. I mean, maximum like.
Apple is actually cheaper in US.
I don't know,
but Apple products are costlier in other countries. Like in India, it is very costly.
Okay.
Apple Watch, if we want to buy Apple Smart Watch, it is 50,000, 40,000.
Oh, really?
Yes. Very costly. That's why, it is out of our, budget. So that's why we don't.
Yesterday I checked in Costco. It was like, it is like $179 only.
But it is in Indian rupees. 179 is for you.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Not for us. For us, it might be 25,000, 30,000, 35,000.
And you said like Apple Watch only, right?
If you type is Apple Smart Watch, it is 40,000, 50,000.
Oh, that means we are like $384. $385. It means like around 30 plus.
Same.
30 plus.
But in India, it is costlier. After taxes and all, it is very costly.
I was referring this, Fitbit watch. Similar to your watch. I thought of taking that one yesterday, but
Fitbit is a good brand actually.
Yeah.
Fitbit is.
But in that also different models are there, sleek ones and whatever you are wearing like that.
Actually, I prefer this one, this shape actually,
Yes.
This shape, like this is very good. Yeah.
It has a little bit screen bigger, right?
Yes. That's why I prefer that screen, square screen. Yeah.
Because my daughter's one is a sleek one, total screen hai. But I like this one.
You may go for Amazfit, Amaze. Amaze.
Maybe I think I don't get the brands here, but I don't know.
No, it is international brand, Amazfit.
Oh, okay.
Amaze. This is not Indian brand, Amazfit.
So whatever you are using is Amazfit?
Yes, Amazfit GTX.
1 second, let me.
Amazfit GTX. I just give you the link. Just wait.
GTX. Yeah. I'm checking that one. I'm seeing only GTR, not GTX.
Yeah, these are a different brand actually. My watch is GTS actually.
Yes. I found this one. Amazfit GTS.
This is the link actually I am going to give you.
Oh, it is like a little bit less price only here. I don't know. The costs like $25.
No,
150.
$25.
Yes. I
No,
don't know.
Amazfit is costlier, little costlier brand.
1 second. Let me ping you this link because the same thing I think I am looking also. Click on that one, please.
Just
This is the cost is $25 only. Please click on that one.
okay. Oh, but don't buy from this side. Of course, they are showing the same brand GTS, but this site is not very authentic.
Okay.
This wish.com, they are most of the time they are giving you duplicate material.
Oh, really?
Yes, wish.com, don't buy anything from here.
Okay.
Don't buy this from that. Actually, this is Amazfit original website, or from, you can get it from Amazon.
Amazon, I'm not getting. That's why I'm looking.
Amazon.
I'm seeing like GTR, not GT.
No, go for GTS. Amazon, it is available on Amazon also. I am giving you. You can go to your US Amazon.
I mean, yes.
This is the link I am giving you. This is the link. This is the link.
I think this is the one you are referring. I think this is the one you are referring. Check this one.
Yes,
Directly
yes,
connect
yes,
with
yes,
the
yes.
store itself.
Yes, yes, this is the same. I have got the same brand, same product. Yes, the same I have got here.
So you are saying like this is good, right?
Yes. Actually,
So,
we have got very good reviews for it.
what are the features? What we can do with this one? Like, I mean,
Actually, I think it's, the measurement is very accurate. That is the first thing. And and you can connect it with your watch, so it is giving you the sleep, your sleep data also, that whether it was a deep sleep, it was light sleep. So you went to, or you go to, or on a particular day you went to sleep at 10 p.m. you got up this, or like, means sleep data, walking activity, swimming, and all lot of things it is showing. Or you can read the features there.
one second. Let me ping you one thing. Just check this one. I was referring this one actually. I thought of buying this one.
Fitbit is actually, it's a good brand.
This is a $189.
Yeah, I have already told you that this is also the same brand. Like, yeah, it's a good brand.
But my question is like, which one do you like? I mean, Fitbit or Amazfit?
Actually, Amazfit, when you go to Amazon, actually thousands and thousands of reviews are there.
Oh,
So it has got 4.5, the rating out of 5. So that's why, it is, I think, the best in budget. Actually, if you want to buy within 10,000, then I think maybe around $189 or something. Then I think this is the best
this
one.
is 189 and that is like 149, 150.
Amazfit.
150 means matlab.
No,
Yes.
the 10,000, around 10,000.
Okay.
So that is better, I think. But if it is in US dollar, then it's okay. You can go for it. It is better.
Okay. Yeah.
Or if you think Fitbit, then you can go for it, no problem. Fitbit is also a good brand, but you must see the reviews first.
Yes, yes, yes.
But in my opinion, that has better reviews.
Because you are using that one, right? So.
And I'm using, and you know, my nephew actually, you know, suggests me all these things. Even the TV, he researched it for a few days, and then because he knows what I want or what I like, then he suggested me 3 of the TVs: Motorola and MI and Realme, and then he described me the features of it, and finally we decided to go for Realme.
Normally, I mean, I don't know, just as per my knowledge, I mean, if you ask me, I would go with Samsung or TVs, the picture quality.
Forget Samsung and Sony. They are old days actually, because we are old people, we think like that, but you know, our children, they are far smarter than we are. Definitely, it was my impression that I was also going for Sony, you know. But when I asked him, then he just went through the features. He denied in a one sentence, because it is not it is not having Chromecast built in. Lot of features, you know.
No. It depends on again about GE. That's what I'm saying. In Sony, you can see the TV with for like $20,000 also. Here.
No, listen. What I mean to say, actually, it depends on the purpose.
Yes.
Because I don't watch TV, you know. I don't watch TV on it. I'm not getting any connection, TV connection, disconnection. I am just going to watch only movies or YouTube songs and all. That's all. So my purpose is different. So I need very handy, you know, remote, where I can just speak that I want to see that movie. That's all, and it is played.
Does it have 4K TV? 4K option?
No. It is HD, full HD. 4K is available in big screen. Earlier I decided to have this, but because of my room size, actually we went for this.
Yes. Yeah, you said about it's depending on our requirement and features, what we need.
Actually, of course, I know that Sony, I was about to buy that, but he denied. No, you don't buy, because he knows what my requirement is.
Yes.
Because I need very handy that from here by speaking, just I need that it is displayed there and I can play it. Otherwise, you have to type it with remote, that if you want to search for a movie, you have to type everything. It is going to take a long time. You know, Sony, LG, Samsung, why they are far behind than other product? Because they don't bring changes. They don't go with the technology. They go with their own technology, you know.
I don't know all those things technology wise.
No, really,
what I am saying about it, if you take in years, the sales are very high for Sony and Samsung. That's it. If they go for any lower brands, I mean the rates are less price, but the quality is far difference between, I don't know, in India, just I'm telling here. But the Sony and Samsung are the best ones. Even I did not go for Sony. I have only Samsung. As you said, the comparison wise, the price wise, Sony is a little bit more than the Samsung. And so I thought like, okay, the quality wise are like, I did compromise. That's what I mean to say. so many brands are there, Super G. So it's again what we choose and how we use
Yes.
and what purpose we use.